I completed my Discipline Agile Scrum Master course on the 16th of December. I passed my exam. When I talk about Discipline Agile Scrum Master, this is a new avatar of the erstwhile Certified Discipline Agilist course, which was offered by PMI. It's now called the DASM, or the Discipline Agile Scrum Master. So, first of all, I'd like to take you through why I chose this particular course. I work for a multinational bank, and in my bank, they are going agile enterprise wide, and they are doing the new ways of working and new ways of agile ways of working in the entire organization. So I wanted a course which could help me understand what agile is. Since most of my programs that I handled are on the traditional side, I wanted to get more information about agile. So my natural way of actually looking at this was to go into the PMI website, because I'm already a PMP certified. So I went to the PMI website to find out some of the courses available on Agile, and I found that the Discipline Agile Scrum Master is a course for me, because Discipline Agile looks at the enterprise-wide Agile implementation. So the next choice was for me to actually go for particular coaching for this Discipline Agile Scrum Master course, because it's mandatory to go through the 2 days classroom training so that we are eligible to write the exam. So the first choice was me for me was Pro Thoughts. The reason being they are having these courses on a monthly basis. They have courses on the second week of every month, and the schedule of these courses was quite convenient to me because it was on a weekend. So I decided to enroll myself into Pro Thoughts. My instructor was Ashish Sadlekar, and I am very happy to uh, tell you that Ashish was quite supportive right from the day the training started. He actually familiarized himself about our agile experience, and since I was not experienced in agile, he provided me the entire support in actually making sure I understand what agile is, what lean is, what scrum, and how the various methodologies work, and how disciplined agile is different from methodologies. So when we talk about disciplined agile, it's not a methodology, but it's a toolkit which can be applied in a context sensitive manner and at an enterprise level. So this is something which I wanted to concentrate on, and this is how the entire course was actually concentrated upon. And Ashish actually helped us even after the coaching classes. We actually had some of the questions, so we had a particular WhatsApp group through which we could ask all the questions. We used to get real-time answers, and before the exam, it was actually important for us to know whether we are really prepared. So he set up a separate, video conference for us to go through all the doubts that we have. So overall, it was very supportive from Ashish's side to help us in getting through this particular exam. And I would also like to tell you that Pro Thoughts has a very challenging mock test. We actually get 3 mock tests soon after we have completed our studies. So these tests are quite challenging, and it actually helps you polish your knowledge to give the actual exam. So what I would like to say about Pro Thoughts is that they are very supportive. They look at us in terms of our success, and they actually helped me to actually get through all the issues before I could write the actual exam. And I'm very happy that I could pass the exam within the stipulated 30 days, which is actually the time limit within which you need to take the exam for the DSM. I completed my exam on the 16th of December this year, and I'm very happy that I got all the support from Pro Thoughts. And I'm very happy that I'm able to apply something like disciplined agile for the new ways of working, whichever organization is looking forward to implement in the next year. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, Pro Thoughts, for helping me get through this exam and also reach a important milestone in my career. Thank you again.